Hi all of you. Today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Community 2026. This is also suitable for other types like professional, enterprise, like other versions like 2017, 2019, 2020, 22. Okay. So here open any browser. So here type Visual Studio Community. Just type 2026. So download. If you whatever the version you want, you can select like that. Okay, now so here you have two options. One is you can go with the official site microsoft.com. You can search there. Anyway, that is redirecting to this site only. So here you can select either this one or else this one. So I'm selecting this first one. So Visual Studio Community I'm going to install. Right, there are some other things also there, like if you go to downloads, for example, I will open this one. See, download Visual Studio 2026 Community Professional it is showing. Enterprise is also there, right? So community for individual developers, it's open source and free. If you after download you can give your mail ID. Visual Studio, some small or medium level companies they will use this one, and enterprise, very big organizations they are using enterprise. So here I am going to install Visual Studio Community. Click on this one. Okay, so it is downloaded successfully. You can directly click on here or go to downloads folder and open from that place. Here I double click on from this place. It is asking the pop-ups. Click on yes. Yeah, click on continue. Here, what are the components you want? You can select those components. Right now, ASP.NET Web Development I am choosing. Yeah, anything you want to work with Azure, AI development, you can choose that one. Node.js, desktop development. Okay, so data storage processing, like this SQL server, to connect with SQL server, those things is required. So extension, I'm click on like. So what are the, these are the things currently right now I'm working. In the future, so any other things I want, I can select, I can modify and I can select, right? So right now I'm click on install. So installation process is started. Okay, finally the installation is successfully done. Anything in the future you want to modify, open here. So if you see here, two things be installed here. So Visual Studio installer is one thing is installer. Visual Studio installer is installed, which is used for uninstall and install Visual Studio community related things. Yeah, development tool, IDE related things. You want to modify anything, you can go and use this thing. If you click on modify, so anything in the future, if you want to add something like this or you want to unselect like this, you can do in that way. Okay, here, okay, you can also uninstall the process like this, repair or any updates are there, you can able to see. And here available some other versions are there, see insiders. So whatever you seen in the site, right, that is available here also. Inside is it's not a original version, it's a pre-release version. If any updates are there, they release with this insiders, so no need to bother about this one. Our standard version is community. This is enough. Okay, let's check. Visual Studio installer is there. This is used for install or uninstall Visual Studio ID related things. This is installer we will use. And here open Visual Studio. Account login. Okay, right now I'm skip. You can add later. If you add your email ID, you can use it. So here general, can select which theme you want. You can select dark or something, whatever you want. So right now I'm going to select light. Start Visual Studio. Yeah, Visual Studio is opened. So here you want to create a new project. Okay, so this is my already existing projects I already done previously. Those things are showing. If you want to create, here create new project. Yeah, here, so select any whatever the language you want, you can select C sharp. So my preferred language, top language is C sharp. I'm going to use. Or else if you select all manually, you can search, and so directly you can search. For example, if you want to open console, you can open it, like anything you want to create, web API. So you can, any application you want, you can create it like that. Okay, so regarding according to the application, in the future you will create those projects, and in future more videos will come. So subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.